From Mentor English, myself, Mentor Professor MAraza. Today the topic is historical linguistics and some branches and some kinds of. So let's get started. Historical linguistics is the study of the developments in language in the course of time, the ways in which languages change from period to period, and of the causes and results of such changes. It must be based on the descriptions of two or more stages in the development of the language being studied. Historical linguistics thus describes changes in language systems over a period of time and consider their relationship with the families, the study of the changes that have taken places in English from Old English to Middle English and then to Modern English comes under the head historical and comparative linguistics. The terms synchronic, descriptive and diachronic historical have been given by Saussure or Saussure respectively to describe stages of a language at a given time and the changes that take places during the passage of time. A synchronic a synchronic description is non-historical. A diachronic description traces the historical development of language. So today we discussed that what is historical language, and we discussed that what is synchronic language and what is diachronic language. So it was our lecture. So we discussed particularly historical language, and if you are searching about Urdu or Hindi literature, then must subscribe our channel Murshid Urdu Professor MAraza. If you are searching for classical Islamic sciences, then must subscribe our channel Jame Darul Uloom Sheikhul Islam. And if you want more English literature or linguistic lectures, so must subscribe and hit the bell icon of Mentor Professor MAraza, our English channel, where I'm teaching you, where I'm lecturing, given the lectures to you, and where I'm conducting the lecture and where I am delivering the lecture. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.